principle of education. So next slide is the aim of the nursing education. So first one is the harmonious development, inculcate right attitude, and third one is the knowledge and the skilling. Means what? In the nursing education, development is a physical, mentally, right? Second one is a right attitude, means your personality, your eye to eye contact, your knowledge, right? And third point is the knowledge and skill, means depend on your work, on your field knowledge. Second one is an emphasis on the high touch approach, right? Means high education. First one is a basic thing. Second one is a primary, secondary, and the tertiary means college level, right? And second one is to prepare student to take up protective role in the nursing. Means what are doing in the nursing field, especially hospital side, means patient care, patient disease, and the patient information, and what can do for the best nursing care. And third one is the professional development, means professional communication, how to one person to another person to talk, right? And all the rights to keep it in mind, means right dose, right medicine, and the right of personal right good means it rights to compare to the patients, right? And the assist to build a promoting career, means in the student life, your student life, or as a faculties, or as a nursing staff, to give a best care to provide, right, in the patient, in hospitalized, to good care provide to the patient. Second one is a social aim, means what is the basic aim, right? And third one is a citizenship, to prepare global nurses. And the fourth one is a leadership aim, means what a leader role to provide. Next, move to the slide function of the education. First one is the individual function, second one is a national function, and third one is a social function. In this first one, individual function, first one is the growth and development, means individual stage wise to growth and development. Second one is the direction and the guidance, to give a proper way to direction, and proper to give a guidance, particularly a particular subject, a particularly means topic. Third one is the preparation for a adult life. In adult life, there are so many problems occur at time, to give a psychological support and good communications. Fourth one is a conversation of the traditional knowledge, means depend on the state wise knowledge, cultural, depend on food, clothes, and all lifestyle. Fourth one is the transmission of the cultural, means depend on culture, rules and regulation are very different in the South Indian and also to Gujarat state, right? There are so many different in the cultures and the lifestyle also. Next, move to the progress developments. Means depend on the like a 4 year in the nursing, like first year, second year, and third year, and the 4 year, right? So your progress in your result and all this development. In your first year result is also like a good, and the second year is like a changes in occur. Sometimes a good way, or sometimes is a bad way, right? And next, move to the achievement of the self sufficiency, means a success in your life. And the last one is the holistic personality development, means all over your knowledge, your personality, your family, all included in the holistic personality development. In holistic personality, to complete your eye to eye contact, your personality development, your response, positive or negative side, mentally, all included in the holistic personality development. And the moral and the characteristic development, means how to behavior in communication, like friends, family, right? How to behavior, how to talk in your seniors, your friends, and you're understanding well or not, it is the most important in your character in the development of the vocational efficiency. Vocational means business, In the business side is that there are so many positive point and also to negative point, but development in the mental status. Last one is the awareness of the past and the present and preparing for a future. So like in student life to making goal for a future life, like as a staff nurse, here as a faculty to do best work. Next, national functions. So first one is the ensuring national development. Second one is the promoting national integrity. Third one is the continuous supply of the workforce. And fourth one is the developing leads for a nation. Right? Means all over the give best education provide to the nation. Second one is the social function. So first is the improving social efficiency. Means your social culture, right? What is the rules regulation of the social your society, your family, in your school or college. And second one is the civilization and the cultural security, right? Means depend on culture. What is the rules regulation security, girls for best teaching methods. Second one is provided scholarship and all. And third one is preparing good citizenship, means all rights to give a citizens. And fourth one is the reform and the progress of the society, means depend on the give a particular social media give support for the good education and all facility available, like a free books or a free like a notebook and all given to the for the good education provided. And next topic is the philosophy of the education. Philosophy means what? Thinking, right? So philosophy of the education, the term philosophy has a Greek origin. The philosophy of this is made of two words, means philo and the Sophia. Right? Philo means the love and Sophia means the wisdom. Philo means the love and Sophia means the wisdom. Wisdom means freedom, right? The literal meaning of the philosophy is the love of the wisdom, passion of the learning, right? Whenever to get new things like to learning, like cooking, right? So that time to give a good things occurring there, means feeling too good. So it's a philosophy. Definition of the philosophy. Philosophy is the science of knowledge. And second one is a philosophy is the science of sciences. Means depend on your mind, how to thinking. Philosophy is the search for a comprehensive view of the nature. Depend on the view to how to thinking, like in your classroom to sit and to think like that. It is a good environment, good friends, right? And also to give a good teaching for like a friends and teachers, right? It's all available in your environment that time to feeling good. So philosophy is a search for comprehensive view of the nature, depend on the view, depend on your environment, and attempt to the universal explanation of the nature of the things. Okay. So whenever to go or whenever to sit, that time to feel a nature and that time to like a good feelings occur. Okay, next move to the classification of the education philosophy. So two in the education philosophy, the first one is a traditional. First one is the literalism, second one is the idealism, third one is the pragmatism, and fourth one is the realism. Right? And modern is a I explain you in the slide wise. Modern conformity philosophy. First one is the penalism, externalism, rationalism, and prognalism. So first one is the traditional philosophy, and the first one is the naturalism. And the first is the chief proponent, Rabindranath Tagore genes. It is the proponents, right? And the Jacques Rousseau, and the Jonam Haynes, right? And the second one is a concept. educating the human generation about and in the nature rather than artificial environment by keeping in mind the individual of the each child, right? Means depend on your nature how to behave here, like sometimes to give a good nature, good communication with the group, your friends, right? And sometimes to do not a good communication means break your channel, right? Good positive response, sometimes negative response, sometimes not clear to sentences properly. So there are a concept for a naturalism. And the second one is the organization and the aim of the education. Nature is a considered the classroom, emphasis on openness to teach through direct experience with the nature. Means depend on the nature, how to behavior, right? And whenever to not like a good, so sometimes like a keep calm, not to explain directly. It is the aim of the education. And the same like a curriculum level, right? Depend on the basic of the curriculum development was a child nature interest need. Means if have a in more interest in like anatomy or psychology subject, so that time to give a more time to spend in their biology, your psychology subject, right? So it's not good for that. It is a equally time to spend like a whole subject. So in this curriculum, stress on the subject dealing with the nature, such as the physics, chemistry, or biology language, and the mathematics. Tiger also to stress in the teaching spiritual value of the nature. So sometimes to stress occur, but the time to give it. And the next methods of the education. As the nature as a possible considering individual difference, noble efforts for a plan living with the nature, direct experience of the nature through observation and the experimental, right? Means direct to observe what is think, what is experimental, what to one way or two way, what is a communication one person, yeah, two person, right? Is the group activity means three four people have here two, you are one to one person to direct contact, right? These are the many things in importance in the education. Next is the role of the teacher. Teacher is an observation and facilitators of the child to develop in nature. Teacher is facilitates the best possible nature environment for promote learning. Whenever to teaching in the class, that time to give a base support, right? All teachers like a good first provide a good environment and teaching in calm environment. Whenever to give a good like a share a ppt and all like a explanation in detail, right? And all to give like a good component place. Last one is a discipline. No emphasis on the external regard discipline, recommended free discipline to child in nature for optimal result and learning. In your school or in your school or the college level is all rules regulation for the discipline committee, so all rules regulation to follow that. Okay, thank you. Next to move to the next slide.